This background is fucking ridiculous. Hey guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to a new vid. I'm not in my normal setup. I'm in my basement right now and it's my grandma's like painting area. It's like her trap craft room, okay? You know what I'm saying? So that's why the background is a fucking mess. So I apologize. There's like shelves of like just random pieces of wood and like all kinds of stuff. There's stuff she's painted. You can probably see all that. I was gonna film in my room, but my sister's here, so that would have been fucking awkward. Oh my god, is that kitty litter? I have to move that fucking kitty litter. That's gross. So just ignore the background. This is gonna be a half unboxing haul, half not, because I bought a bunch of shit online, but then I bought a bunch of shit in store, you know? It's been collected for like over a month. So let's just get started. I'm gonna start off with the clothing and I'm gonna start off with the stuff online. So first of all, I got 2 packages from Zoomies Online, so we're gonna open those first. I brought scissors down here, but I don't know where the fuck I put them. So there's one. Let's open this bad boy. Yeah, this is the beanie I bought. So I've always wanted an orange beanie and I got this one because this one was on sale for I think like $4.99. It's just this orange beanie and it says over you. I don't know if I'm crazy about this. I'll probably put that to the back. But yeah, so I just really wanted like an orange beanie. I feel like it's a must have, you know what I'm saying? And I got another Zoomies package, so let's open this bitch. Yeah, I don't know where I put those scissors. What did you do with them, Kenzie? I got this Enjoy shirt in an extra large because I really want it to be really oversized. So I got extra large, which I think I might have went a little crazy with that. I could have just got a large and it would have been really oversized. Why? Why is this sticker so fucking tough? Oh, well, I got my makeup on it already, so that's cool. Let me move my bangs out of my face so I don't look like an emo child. Dude, this shit's industrial strength. Like, what? Rasta-ish shirt. Sorry. There you go. That's it. I have a vision of like the outfit that I'm gonna wear with this, so it's pretty huge. I think I went a little crazy with the extra large, but it's cool. Yeah, and this was on sale too. $14.99. Not a bad deal. Oh shit, I got a cool sticker. Last online store I purchased from, I've never bought anything from this website, never. So we're gonna see what the fuck is up, basically. GS loves me. And I don't know, I was just looking for cheap clothing sites because I'm a broke bitch. I don't know what the fuck this is. Let's open this one first. So this is a little bralette. It was on sale for literally I think like $2. I'm not even fucking with you. $2? Are you kidding? So it's this olive green, let me get this situated. Olive green bralette. There you go. I came to the conclusion that I just hate normal bras. I hate how they feel. They're not fucking comfy. So basically all I wear is bralettes or sports bras, which sports bras make your tits look weird, so I prefer bralettes. But yeah, so this is cute. It was literally $2, so how could you not? It was like $2 and some change or something. I think this is another bralette. Let's see, boys. But this is the kind that like goes over your neck like a halter bralette. Oh, and this is see-through. You're gonna be able to see the titties. But it looks like this. I'm sorry, these are like showing so weird, but it's literally just like your basic over the neck bralette. So the green one was $2.08. And like what? Excuse me? This one was $3.42. So only $3.42 for this. Oh, I got a pair of leggings. These are yellow leggings. You heard that shit right. I was like kind of on the fence about getting these, but then I was like, dude, like I could style it. Oh my god, they look tiny. Are these cropped? I honestly think these are cropped and I hate cropped leggings, so if these are cropped I'm gonna actually be so sad. They look so short and they look like they're for a 7-year-old child. I don't know, hopefully they're not cropped because I don't fuck with cropped leggings, not at all. But I'm really short, so maybe they won't fit like cropped, and if they do I'm gonna have to wear high tops with them. But they're very stretchy and I like the color a lot. Let's just hope you won't be able to see the ass through this. $2, $2.08 again. Like, okay, if these don't fit, or if these are cropped and I don't like them, then big fucking whoop, they were $2. Last clothing item that I got is another bralette. Sorry, not sorry. So it's yellow and it's see-through, And then on the nips, where the nips are, it has these little flowers. Like, come on now, it's yellow. It's kind of washed out because of this bright light, and I just looked at that light. Oh my god, now I can't see. I'm excited for this. This was only $3.35. That's the online portion of this haul, so now let's jump into the rest of the clothing, and then we'll jump into the makeup, okay? From PacSun, I got this green Champion shirt. It's literally just like Kelly green and then has the Champion logo on the left titty, you know? From Zoomies, I got this hoodie, which is the hoodie that I wore in 2 videos ago in my story time. And everybody said they loved it. So you can get this at Zoomies. Pink, yellow, and orange. Yeah, so that's where I got this hoodie if you were wondering, because a lot of people said they loved it. I got 2 pairs of shoes. When I say shoes, I mean Vans. That's all I wear, you know this. They are the baby pink high tops, bitch. Get out of town. These are so cute. I've wanted these for so long, but they're always sold out. Every pair of Vans that I want is always sold out. Like, I want these orange old schools so bad, and they're always sold out. I want the yellow old schools. They're always sold out. They're so cute. They're one of my new favorite pairs of shoes. I'm not like a pink person, but these are really cute. Okay, folks. So then I got another pair, you know, of skate highs. My mom actually surprised me with these. She went shopping with my brother. They went to the mall and shit. They're just like all gray, and then they have like these really cute blue pink laces. I like how they look with them, but I don't know if I might change them to white or not, so we'll see. Then I went to TJ Maxx. The only reason I went there is because I was trying to hunt for all the good makeup that everybody finds, but people find Kat Von D, and all kinds of like really big brand makeup products, and I'm like, how? So I went there, didn't find none of that, but I did find these leggings. But I found these camel leggings, and they're like athletic leggings, and I love athletic leggings. They make the butt look so bomb, and they're just like so comfy. So they're just camo. I can't wait to style these and make them look all good with a nice fit. These were only like $7, so the only other thing I got there was this palette. I have a different one of these that I got from Target. It came in like a kit, and it's actually pretty good. There you go. That's what it looks like, boys. Like, oh, okay, Profusion. Then I got a Morphe palette. This is my first Morphe palette. Get out of town, I know, but I don't know, I just haven't been on my Morphe grind yet, you know? This is the Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette. So it looks like this. This color, bitches, don't even get me started on this color. And I use this color right here as a highlight. It's so pretty. Let me just give you a little swatchy poo. Like, what? The top one? Okay, moving on, we'll do Ulta. The only thing a girl purchased from Ulta was this little mini set of Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. The little mini set, super pretty. I love these. Comes with Kitten Karma, Rose Gold, which is exactly what it says it is, Rose Gold. Okay, then this one is Smoldering Satin. Sorry, I film on my phone, so it's shit quality. I'm sorry. From Sephora, I got a big one of the Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. This one is called Painted Lady, and I liked it a lot more in the store. I'm not crazy about it, honestly, for being for real. But this one looks like this. It's like it's just very pink. I don't know. But then I got this. This is one of my new favorite makeup products. I'm not even kidding. I have a gold one of these, and I love it. I've used it like all the time, so I thought I'm gonna get another one. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal like liquid liner, but I use them as eyeshadow. But this one is in Pyro, bitch. So it looks just white in the thing, but the glitter in it is so pretty. There's like orange, green, purple. It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So moving on up, I got a new beauty blender. My beauty blender was fucking disgusting. I tried cleaning it, but the makeup is like so soaked in there. It's just like still gross, you know? And my other one ripped. It like ripped at the bottom, so I had to cut it so it was flat on the bottom. I don't know. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna get a new one. I think the last two things are one of the most exciting. I got 2 ColourPop eyeshadows. I've been wanting to try ColourPop since it first became like so popular, and I never tried it. So I got 2 of their Super Shock eyeshadows. I'm actually wearing one on the lid today. You see that? Gorgeous. The one I'm wearing is called Lightning Bug, and it's a super nice copper. Like, what? And the feel of these, I don't even know how to describe it. It feels like so satiny, and it feels like a cream eyeshadow. Like, do you see? Oh my god, there's a spider right the fuck there, crawling my way. Go away. Oh my god. Can we not do this today, spider? This is why I don't come down here. I just feel like shit's crawling on me now. I can't. I have to hurry up. I have to hurry up. I have to get out of here now. But yeah, so this color is super pretty. And the second one I got actually...
Oh my god, is there something on my foot?
The second one I got actually used in my little Zan makeup tutorial. It's Amaze. This is more of like a champagne-y color. Too much, but like, what? For $5? This is $5. Like, come on now. I think that concludes my haul. I need a hit of this after that spider tried attacking me. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm trying to hurry the fuck up because I need to exit this basement right now. Okay, that spider, I don't know where it went, but I just feel so gross right now. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed this video. I get requested to do hauls all the time, and so I tried collecting a bunch of shit throughout this month that I purchased. If you have any video requests, leave them down below. I have like a list of videos that I need to do. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye, shawty.